Hi all, welcome back to my channel. I hope everyone is doing good. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about new eligibility criteria for Dropbox appointment or interview waiver program. So US consulates in many places including India are not able to provide in-person appointment for many visa holders due to this pandemic situation. So US Department of State has worked with DHS and has given some authority to US consular officer to waive off some of the in-person interview for certain temporary work visa holders and for certain student visa holders. So now we are going to see who are eligible for this in-person interview waiver program and what are the criteria we need to fulfill in order to get eligible for this in-person interview waiver program or Dropbox program. So first let's see what are the requirements for this in-person interview waiver program or Dropbox program. So the first point they have mentioned is your petition has to be approved by USCIS, that is your visa petition which is applied by your employer to USCIS has to be approved and you should have that approval petition with you, that is your approved I-797 petition. The second point is you have to apply for this visa stamping either in your home country, that is your country of nationality, or in the country where you are currently residing. For example, if you are an Indian citizen, then you can apply for visa stamping in India, or if you are an Indian citizen and currently living in other country like UK, then you can either apply in India or in UK, that is your country of residence, for US visa. The third point is you have to have any type of US visa approved in the past. So for example, if you are an F1 visa holder and you are applying for H1B for the first time, you are eligible for this interview waiver program. You should have any of the US visas. It need not to be the same category. You can have either F1, B1 or any US visas in the past which is approved and issued to you to become eligible for this interview waiver program. And the fourth point is you should not be refused US visa in the past. So if you have any US visa refusal in the past or if you got 221G in the past, your 221G has to be cleared and that visa has to be issued. If that visa has been rejected to you, then you are not eligible for this interview waiver program. So these are the four main requirements for the interview waiver program. So the first point is you have to have your valid petition. The second point is you have to apply visa stamping either in your home country or country of residence. And the third point is you should have been issued any of the US visas in the past. And the fourth point is you should have not been refused any of the US visas in the past. So if you satisfy all these four conditions and if you come under any of these temporary work visa type, then you are eligible for interview waiver program. So the validity of this requirement to apply for interview waiver or Dropbox appointment is until December 2022. So within that you have to apply for your Dropbox appointment. It might get extended but we will not know until December 2022. So like temporary visa holders, they have also updated this interview waiver program for certain student visa holders, professors, scholars and other specialists who apply for F, M and J visas. So let's see what are the requirements for this F, M and J visa holders in order to get eligible for interview waiver program. So the first point is you have to apply for your visa stamping from the country of your residence. So basically from where you are living. The second point is you should hold any US visas which is previously approved and issued to you. The third point is you should not have been refused any previous US visas. For example, if you have received 221G in the past, your 221G has to be cleared and the visa has to be issued. So if suppose that visa has been refused to you, then you are not eligible for this interview waiver program. So they have also released updated guidance for visa waiver program countries. Since India doesn't come under visa waiver program, I am not explaining those in this video. So now we have seen what are the eligibility for interview waiver program. The next question is how to avail for this interview waiver program. So in CGA federal site where you will book your appointment for Dropbox or in-person interview, the questionnaire has been updated. They have added two main questions in order to get eligible for interview waiver program. So the first question is, do you have any previous visa in any class? And the second question is, have you ever been refused visa before? So once you answer to these questions, your interview waiver program eligibility will pop up. So if you are eligible for interview waiver program, then you can select slots for your Dropbox appointment. If you are not eligible, then you have to book in-person appointment. Next is 48 months Dropbox rule. So as you all know, earlier US Department has extended 24 months Dropbox rule to 48 months Dropbox rule. That is, if your previous visa, which is stamped in your passport, has expired within 48 months, then you are eligible for Dropbox appointment or interview waiver appointment. Before, this guideline was issued only till December 2021, but now they have extended this rule and they have extended indefinitely without mentioning any dates.
So this is official US Department of State site. So whatever information or new rule whichever I have mentioned in this video regarding interview waiver has been mentioned here. So as you all can see, they have mentioned this new authorization applies to temporary workers applying H1, H3, H4, L, O, P and Q visas who meet the certain conditions. So I have already explained what are those requirements previously. So even if you are a first time individual applying for these visas and if you already hold any other US visa, then you are eligible for this interview waiver program. So as we discussed, F, M and J visa holders are also eligible for this new interview waiver program. Applicants renewing any visas within 48 months of expiration are also eligible for interview waiver program. So you can find all those informations in this page. I'll provide the link for this page in the description below. So what if you don't have any previous US visas? What if you are applying for a first time US visa? Then in that case you are not eligible for interview waiver program. You have to undergo visa interview. That is, you have to attend your visa interview in person along with biometrics appointment. You cannot drop off your documents through Dropbox. So only if you satisfy all the requirements which is mentioned here, you are eligible for this Dropbox appointment or interview waiver program. Otherwise, you have to attend your in-person appointment. So many people have doubts about your B1, B2 or tourist visas, if they are eligible for this interview waiver program or not. So according to this site, they have only mentioned temporary work visas and some of the student research and specialist visas like F, M and J. They haven't mentioned anything about tourist visas, that is B1, B2. So I guess tourist visa holders are not eligible for this interview waiver program requirements. But if you are going to renew your tourist visa which is expired within last 48 months, then you are eligible for interview waiver program, because it is mentioned applicants renewing any visa within 48 months of expiration are eligible for interview waiver program. But if you are applying for your tourist visa for the first time, or if you already hold any of the US visas and you are applying for tourist visa for the first time, then you are not eligible for interview waiver program. You have to attend your in-person appointment. So I hope this is clear. So I'll provide the link for this site in the description below. So if you have any other doubts, please refer to this site. This is where the US Department has officially announced this new interview waiver program requirements and all the visa categories who are eligible for this requirements.
So as you all know, getting an in-person interview slot or Dropbox interview slot is very difficult or complicated these days. Most of the people don't get appointment slots even for Dropbox. But US consulates in India has announced that they are going to release 20,000 Dropbox slots. But we will not know when they will release slots for each day. Please keep on checking your CGA federal site if you are going to book your Dropbox slots, and do not forget you can only check thrice a day. If you are checking more than thrice, your account might get locked. There are also so many Telegram groups where they update immediately once slots are open. So please keep an eye on your US Travel Docs or CGA Federal portal to book your appointment slots immediately once US consulates release appointment slots. So I hope this is clear. I think I have mentioned all the requirements and rules in this video. If you have any other doubts, please leave in the comment section. I'll be happy to answer. I hope this video is helpful. If you find this video helpful, please like and share the video and press the subscribe button to get notification immediately from my channel once I upload a new video. Thank you.